In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in training fee credits. After you've logged into your account, I'm going to show you two different ways you can do this. First way is you're going to tap on this wallet icon on the bottom right hand screen of the corner. And from there, you're going to select Bitcoin out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can search for it by tapping on this magnifying glass icon and typing in BTC in the search bar. Tap on Bitcoin, and right here you have the option to convert BTC. Another way you can get there is from the home page, going right down to the bottom and tapping on this trade icon. And from here, you're going to select Convert, which is the first option on the top. And right here under From, we're going to select Bitcoin out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Bitcoin. Since we want to convert it to USDT, under 2, we're going to tap on this arrow right next to USDC and select USDT in this list, or search for it in the search bar if you don't see it. Enter in the amount of USDT that you want to receive, or enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to convert into USDT. Tap on Preview, confirm the transaction, and that's how to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.